In order to use the inventory items for injections and medicines, the items must first be made available in the inventory. Intel SIS comes preloaded with commonly used drugs, so most of the drugs can simply be activated. Go to the inventory page. As we are going to search for an activated item to be activated, we need to enable search for inactivated items, otherwise search will only return active items. Double-click on this field to activate search for inactivated items. The red border around this icon indicates the search for inactive items is switched on. Search for the item here, and select the item from the drop-down list. Note that for an active item, the fonts are red in color. Tick Allow Edit. Fill in the required details. Here under Display, we enter how this drug should be printed on the labels. Here under For we specify the purpose of this item, will be printed on labels. Optionally, in this example, under Age Limit, we specify that this drug is suitable for ages above 24 months. Here under Unit, we specify the unit of measurement in the inventory unit. Enter the selling price, patient price. Pay attention to the units and make sure the price is in accordance with the unit. In this example, the unit is 1 ml, so the selling price, patient price, for 1 ml must be specified, not 1 bottle. Specify the selling price for panel patients. Note that panel price number 1 is for Group 1, which is for all panels that are not grouped into Group 2 to 10. Again, pay attention to the units and make sure the price is in accordance with the unit. If you have panels in the other groups, number 2 to 10, specify the selling prices for panel patients for those groups. Specify the default dosage under Dosage/Freak. Untick and activate to make this item active. And click Edit to save. Now the item has been activated. There is also another way to activate items. Go to List All. Type in the name of the item you would like to activate and click Filter to search. Tick the item that you would like to activate. Ticking the item will activate the item. Pay attention to the inventory unit here as the prices and minimum levels must be in this unit. Enter the selling price, patient price, for cash patients under CP1. Pay attention to the inventory unit and ensure the price is for the same unit. Enter the selling price, patient price, for panel patients in Group 1 under PP1. Group 1, all ungrouped panels. If you have panels grouped in Group 2 to 10, enter the panel prices in the respective fields. Specify the minimum level for store here. Specify the minimum level for local, dispensary, here. Select the correct class for this item. Under the law, it is important to specify the drug whether it is classified as poison or psychotropics. Notes/remarks entered here will appear in the collection page. This notes/remarks can be used to specify the location of this item in the clinic, e.g. Rack A Row 2. Go back to the inventory page. Search for the item that we have just activated via List All. Note that the items in gray are inactive items. The items in white are active items. This is the item that we have just activated, select this. This item is now active. That's it. You're done.